If you are over 70 or even over 60, what I'm about to share might feel like a gentle earthquake in your beliefs. You've always heard, just keep walking and you'll stay healthy. But today, I invite you to pause and listen deeply. Because walking too much, yes, even that daily morning walk you've been so faithful to, might be silently aging your body faster than you think. I know that sounds shocking, almost unbelievable, but recent research and wisdom from therapists who truly understand aging bodies reveal that after 70, your body craves something beyond steps. It craves balance, strength, and soul-deep movement. Imagine this. You take your daily walk proudly, thinking you're doing everything right. But inside, your joints beg for support, your muscles slowly shrink, your balance weakens. Thousands of elders quietly slip into decline while trying to do the right thing. But today, God brought you here for a reason. I truly believe that. Maybe to protect you from that one fall that changes everything, or to give you back the dignity and independence you deserve. If you're someone who believes in second chances, if you're someone who still feels a spark of life inside, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Inner Spark, now, and don't forget to like this video. It helps spread this life-changing message to more seniors who need it. Let's begin with a hidden truth most doctors never say out loud. Muscle loss isn't just an aging thing. It's a silent thief that starts robbing you around age 60. Walking? It moves your legs forward, but it doesn't wake up the deep core strength you need to get off the toilet safely, to climb stairs, to catch yourself if you slip on a rainy day. The good news, even at 70, 80, or beyond, your muscles are waiting. They're like loyal friends who never gave up on you, just waiting for a call. Start simple. Rise from a chair without using your hands. Do this every morning. It's not just an exercise, it's a declaration. I am still strong. Pick up 2 water bottles and gently lift them as you watch your favorite show. These tiny acts aren't just motions. They're messages to your brain. I am not done yet. Wall push-ups before breakfast? That's not just physical. It's spiritual. You're literally pushing away the story that aging means decline. Next, balance. Oh, my dear friend, balance is not a given. It's a skill. Stand on one foot for 10 seconds, then the other. Feel those tiny muscles whisper, "Thank you for waking me up." Do this while brushing your teeth, while waiting for your tea to steep. Turn these seconds into sacred rituals. When you feel balanced, you walk into each day with quiet confidence. You trust your body again. You move through the world with a soft power that makes others pause and say, "Wow, look at her, look at him, still so strong." Then there's mobility. Life isn't a straight line. So why do we move as if it is? Reach up as if touching the heavens. Twist your torso like you're looking over your shoulder to call a loved one. Bend gently to pick up an imaginary grandchild. When you stop these movements, you lose life dance. But when you bring them back, you feel free again, like a bird stretching its wings at sunrise. Now let's talk posture. When we shrink, curl forward, and hang our heads low, our organs suffer. Our heart strains, our lungs compress, our digestion slows. But when we stand tall, chest open, head high, we say to the world, "I am still here. I still matter." Every morning, stand against a wall. Let your heels, hips, shoulders, and head touch. Breathe slowly, deeply. Feel your spine remember its true design. Feel your spirit lift. God did not create you to fold in on yourself. You were designed to rise, to shine, to be a living example of resilience. Finally, our silent guardians, the joints. If your knees, hips, or ankles ache after your walk, that's not just getting old. That's your body crying out, "Please help me, support me." Once or twice a week, swap your walk for a gentle pool session. Water carries you, supports you, and allows your joints to move without harsh impact. Try chair yoga, a recumbent bike, gentle circles of your ankles while seated. These are not just exercises, they are love letters to your future self. Dear elder, this is not a call to stop walking. This is a divine invitation to walk with intention, to walk wisely. Now, I have one small but powerful question. Of all the changes you heard today, strength, balance, mobility, posture, or joint care, which one will you begin with? Type the word renew in the comments below if you're ready to rebuild from the inside out. Until next time, stay strong, stay open, and above all, stay blessed. And big like and subscribe to Inner Spark YouTube channel.